السلام عليكم. اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد. Today we will learn about Etimad Online Portal for annual tickets. How to register yourself on Etimad Portal. For further processing, let's go on the laptop screen for further information. We are on the laptop screen. The journey begins. Learn with Malaika. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. And let's dive into the tutorial. Now open a new tab and write etimad.sa. You can see the link in the below description. Now hit enter. You can find the Etimad website page. Here, if you prefer Arabic, scroll down and click on Individual for Arabic language. If English is your choice, then click on English and scroll down again to click on Etimad Individual for sign in. Now it will redirect you to Nafad page. Enter your account ID number in the given box and hit the login. You will find a digit over here. If you have a mobile app, just open your app and enter this digital showing over here. If you don't have the application, then click below username and password. Then now another page will be open. Just enter your account number and password. Same your Abshar ID and password. Now click on login. A temporary password will be sent to your registered mobile number. It is the same number you are using for your Abshar account information. Enter the 4-digit code and click on follow up. Now you are at another tab. Oh no, there is an error. Click below here on home page button. Now you are on National Single Sign-In platform of Nafad. Now find your concerned Etimad portal link here to search Etimad link. It's here. Just click on this link. Click on individuals and sign. You are on Etimad portal page here. You can find different services in the portal. Click on boarding order. It will directly take you to your profile upgradation. Fill this part with your mobile number and email address and save the information. If it brings to this page, then click on boarding orders, click on profile and fill your information on this form. Write your name according to your passport information. Please make sure your name is matching with your passport data. Fill in passport number carefully and then enter Passport expiry date. Select your passport issuance country in the list below. Here I am selecting Pakistan. Now click on Save Changes button. Now in the second box, click on Request Type and select your request. Purpose. I'm selecting vacations. In the next box, you can write annual leaves. Next below, you can select domestic flight or a foreign trip. I will select foreign trip because I am going from my annual vacations. You can select your requirements in the below box. You can attach your approved vacation slip on your can leave, or you can leave it empty because it is optional. You can also describe about your further information if you want to add, but it's optional. Process further without writing this information. That's it. That's it. It was part 1 about the registration of the online portal. In part 2, I will explain how to apply for annual tickets step by step. If you like my content, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Stay tuned.